In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Manychat. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Manychat website. It's the first step on our journey to getting everything sorted and streamlined. Once you're there, you'll want to find the Sign In button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page, easy to spot. Clicking on it will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat homepage. This is the central hub for all the actions you can perform within Manychat. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Now, let's move on to the Home tab. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your interface and serves as the main menu for navigating through Manychat. Once you're in the Home tab, your next step is to click on Channels within the settings. This area provides you with access to the different channels that Manychat can manage for you. For our purpose today, we're focusing on Messenger. Selecting the Messenger option within channel settings is crucial because it allows connections between Manychat and your chosen platforms to be adjusted or severed. Once you click on Messenger, you'll notice an option that says Remove Facebook page from Manychat account. This is the final step we need to take in order to successfully unlink Manychat. Clicking this will initiate the process of removing the connection between your Facebook page and Manychat. It's important to remember that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're certain about unlinking before you proceed. While this process might seem straightforward, it's this careful method that ensures no missteps. Taking the time to understand each step individually helps avoid any errors and ensures that you're not disrupting any services you might still want to maintain. Unlinking Manychat is just a few clicks away, but it requires precision to make sure everything goes smoothly. After following these steps, you should now have your Manychat account successfully unlinked from the Facebook page. By doing this, you're ensuring that your accounts are tidy and that you're maintaining the level of integration that's right for you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to check out Manychat's support resources for further assistance. Remember, maintaining control over your tools and connections is key in today's digital landscape, ensuring everything works just the way you need it to.